What's up, YouTube? Fire to the 160. If you guys are not already subscribed, smash that subscribe button. So today, we're gonna start on painting my plastics. Just gonna paint the whole front end black, whole back end black, and the side piece black. And I'm gonna try to paint this gas tank green. I think it looked pretty sick. And I might paint this green, sprocket guard green, and the exhaust guard green. So, to start doing that, I'm gonna give you a time lapse of me taking all these plastics apart. And as you can see, there's like snap plastics. It's not gonna take me long, but I'm gonna give you a time lapse. Here we go. Okay guys, so I got it. Yeah, right there, there's a bolt. But there wasn't one on this side for some reason. And it just went flying in pieces. Yeah, I'm taking it off. Do this for you guys. Show you guys how I'm taking it off. See this pretty good. Alright. Now, there's some bars right here. Get this fender around, just like that. And then, oh shoot, pretty sure this side too. Nope, there we go. Now, let's go. Get back fender now. Don't waste my time. Don't stop. This game ain't nothing. I'ma wait till the time. Just set it on fire. 'Cause it don't mean nothing. He's on for the night. Don't waste my time. So guys, my GoPro died. I had to charge it, but while you guys were charging, I did a little bit. Once that's dry, I'm gonna paint the bottom. I don't know what to do with that. Might just paint over it. I don't know. But they're actually a lot nicer than what it was. But I have this thing that I'm gonna paint next. So I'm gonna paint that one green. And let me see something real quick. Shoot, why are these things always so hard to get off? This is the one. So I'm gonna do this. No, I'm gonna scoot these over just a little bit. You know, that way. Yeah. Anyway, scooting them over. Alright, let's grab this can. shake it up. This is the color, guys. That's what the color is gonna be. So yeah, let's get to it. Here we go. Ooh, not what it looks like on the thing, but yeah, that's okay. It's kind of a cool green. Whatever. Ah, that's way too much. Yeah. Pretty good. And I left that bolt in there. Oh well though, it's all good. And yeah, that's what green color it's gonna be, I guess. Nice and shiny. So let's put this back on. And I guess I could do a couple wheelies on the bike for you. Now I don't know how this. There we go. Pretty good one. Whew. Come on. Take a little break. You know what I mean? Now, I don't know if you guys can see this. But yeah, take this ball and I'll just dunk it. Oh shoot! Oh, I got that. Let's go. So yeah, there's a trash for this. I don't know, something to be bored with. So yeah, here they are. They look really good. Yeah, and once it starts drying, like in some spots it took it a little too close and it got like a puddle, but it like dried off. See, kind of right there. I'm gonna do like 3 coats. Oh, those turned out really good. I'm still doing 3 coats on everything, huh? But like, look at this. This is the worst spot that happened. It's right there. Got way too close. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I start the back fender. That's basically it. All right. I think that looks pretty sick. All right, now I'm gonna see you guys when I put all of these things back on my quad. So yeah. Oh, and as you can see, I used some red tape to tape like a line in it so it looked kind of cool. You know, might not. So I will see you guys when I said put all parts on the quad, and I'll show you guys all the painted things. Peace. Bye. See you in the next clip. So guys, these are the plastics, and I'm gonna put them on a folder. Give you guys a time lapse. Guys, we are finished. It looks so sick. But, oh, whoops. I'm not done with the wheels yet. I said I'd paint the wheels, and that's what I'm going to do. I left this underneath green because it looks cool, and I took the stripes off because it was just messed up. So, guys, that is my part 2 of Restoration Quad. There's going to be like 3 parts. Next is going to be Nerf bars, and graphics kits. Got monster graphics kit. That's all I'm going to say. But, yeah. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Stay tuned. Until next time, peace. Yeah, I'll do a couple trampoline quick for you guys.